Ladies and gentlemen, have you heard of the good news of going back to the motherland? Aha! Let me know how you have found this text. It is barely a month after the official release and the launch, and oh dear, oh my, people are enlightened. People are getting awesome eye-openers from this text. Some of these, I can't mention them on these platforms. Some would require you to take the text, sit in your house, underline the keywords, and start the right actions. I've made this text as simple to understand as possible. So it's very suitable for you at home. It's very suitable for you in the office, suitable for you wherever you are. You see also, I've talked about in chapter 5. Look at that. 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 Yeah. Anytime I want to mention anything like this, yeah, then the videos might not survive the light of day. But you have a chance to get the text right in your house, so that uanze kutafuta freedom, si kufurahia hapa ati 63 years of independence. Independence where? Yeah. Healthy living from going back to the motherland.